Hi guys, so guess where I am?
The Ikea store in Mumbai, and I'm super excited. You guys know I live pretty close to the store and I cannot wait to take you guys along with me for a walkthrough of the store. So stay with me while I take you through the entire store. So I'm halfway through the store, but we're still only in the marketplace, and I'm absolutely loving how they've done up the store. I'm sure you want to buy a lot of stuff just like me, but first I'm going to see the whole store and then start picking up. So this setup is like a small house. So basically this is the drawing room. This is the sit out. Ta-da! The bedroom! Cozy, isn't it? This is now the bathroom, the shower, the sink, the washing machine. How cute is the kids' bedroom? So colorful, and I love the bunk bed. Arya wants this, so let's see. Wardrobe behind the curtain. Such a cool idea, isn't it? I never thought of it. New idea for me. So we are in the self-serve area. So it's huge, it's huge, it's huge, it's huge, it's huge. Having so much fun shopping. It is such a huge area, guys. Like, it's madness. It's like I feel like a child in a toy shop, literally like that, like gone back to my childhood and absolutely enjoying it. So we are in the section where you can choose dining tables and you can build your own dining tables, and there's such a wide choice to choose from. It's unimaginable, and they're super cute, super reasonable to super trendy pieces. So let me show you. Finally we're done, and I'm all set to have my coffee. The coffee smells divine. One of the best parts about the IKEA cafe, and I can't wait for you guys to see the video and let me know what you thought about it.